Hello and welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Google Home app on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So let's head into the video. So I'm going to run over to the dashboard and move over to quick settings. This is using to use the Google Play Store. I will navigate to Play Store on the system because it is an embedded app on the system. So click on system and navigate down to find apps. So now on this list on the main page, you just find apps. So go to see your apps and then navigate down to find show system apps. From there, scroll down until you go to the G section, so it's an alphabetical list. You just find that's looking for Google Play Store. So that's the Google Play Store. Click on that, click open, and that launches the application. Now the Google Play Store application is launched, you want to just head over to this search bar and search for Google Home. Google Home, and right there you find it as the first app. So click on it, and if you do not have this app already installed, you see an install button right here. I have an update version, and I'll click on that and I'll give it a couple of seconds to load. That's exactly how it would be on your end. So just give it some time. The download completes and the installation process begins automatically. So when the installation process starts, just give it some time and you see it completely install the application. And when it's done installing, you can access it on Google TV. So give that a second to install, and when that is done, you're good to go. That's been it for this tutorial. If you found it insightful, it was useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.